In this video, I will show you how to get the new iOS 18 wallpaper on your iPhone. In order to have the new iOS 18 wallpaper, make sure that you have upgraded your iOS to iOS 18. Now simply click on the settings option and from the settings go to the wallpaper. Click on the add new wallpaper button and you will see the different options for the new wallpaper that the iOS 18 offers. Click on the wallpaper that you want to add. For example, if you want to add this wallpaper, there are different styles are offered from the iOS 18. You will see that different colors have been offered as well. See, this is green color, this is yellow color, this is orange color, red, purple, blue, warm silver, and cool silver. If you want to have the dynamic wallpaper, then simply click on this small icon here and you can set it up as the automatic. Click on the add button and click on set as wallpaper pair. In this way, you can set up the new iOS 18 wallpaper on iPhone 14. Here you will see that the new wallpaper has been set up properly. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.